Hello everyone, in today's video we are preparing a hearty English breakfast. This is a full breakfast consisting of eggs, sausages, and baked beans. You can make different variety and combinations of English breakfast with other breakfast items like bacon, toasts, and grilled tomatoes. Here, I'm making my own version of the English breakfast. I prepare this on special days like Christmas, long weekends, or any other special occasion. Here are the ingredients. Hash brown. This is made of pan-fried potatoes cut in cubes. Sausages. I use sweet and spicy Italian sausage and bake them in the oven for 40 minutes. Scrambled eggs, seasoned with oregano. Eggs cooked sunny side up is more common for English breakfast, but I prefer the scrambled eggs. Baked beans. Here I use canned beans in brown sugar hickory flavor and heat it in a pan. Pan-fried mushrooms in olive oil. I use white button mushrooms. Lastly, we add fresh plum tomato. I consider this a very heavy but satisfying breakfast, especially before any physical activity. Now let's brew some tea. This is a tea blend of passion fruit, mango, blueberry, and safflower. We will brew the tea in hot water for 3 minutes. I prefer to eat breakfast with tea instead of coffee, not just because we're eating English breakfast. Tea is more relaxing, light, and this tea blend is really delicious. I hope I inspired you to try a full English breakfast, which is very easy to prepare. It's filling, satisfying, and very delicious. Here's the ingredients list for this dish.